you? Oh, you come inside as if you rape me.
I and I man have better taste than that. But come if it's a bumper.
Oh, so you are the Bubba Dread. We are this bumper for the white gal. Eh?
Blessed. Everything is everything, you know.
So how you get inside here?
The door was wide open, sister.
Well, close it on your way out now.
Yo. How you deal with Rasta, sir?
Oh, you want me to deal with you? Poor Kita.
Pork. You mentioned that in front of the Ras. Rasta no deal with them things there.
Me see up on my friend video. I eat our pork. You can imagine when I send that the video got Jamaica. I see the Bubba Dread and yam pussy. Figure trim.
Fireburn from Babylon. You was wicked for do that to Rasta. I did not eat that ranking meat. I was unconscious.
Unconscious? So how you know said ranked?
Yeah.
Aye, tell me something. Why is it that Russ like you always affair there with a white woman over a black woman? What them have?
Katrina.
What?
That's my wife's name, Katrina.
Whatever. You see me? Me a half Chinese. But me love my black man. Because only them can walk this your body out. So tell me, Bobo, why is it that a ras like you always affair there with a white woman over a black woman? Why?
It not have nothing to do with color. It have to do with spirituality. You see, white women just more revolve, more intelligent. I mean, you check the black woman passage through the history of time. Always planning the black man downfall with a constant bickering and a suffering and a greed. Them is like parasite.
You don't talk, batty boy. More evolved than who? Black woman is the mother of all creation. All life passed through her. So you must be just an empty-headed house nigger.
How are you do? Release Simon.
True black man, no disrespect them black woman, so. So you must be a ballhead. I wanna be.
Don't ask the rest question you can't manage the answer to.
Cutie, excuse me, please. Give me a minute with the dread.
You want to teach your boy manners, you know?
So what? You're not coming to greet me, huh? You're not going to greet your princess?
Bumper, you can't deal with Rasta signer.
So what you going to do? Beat me?
Let me tell you something, Bumper. I and Iman is balance. All right, now I'm respect what you try to do when you tell Iman Queen lies about Iman, you know.
So what you going to do? Beat me? Come on then. Come and beat me. Come, baby. Come and spank me. I want to be spanked. Come on, baby. Hit me one more time. What happened? You're not man enough to do that?
You're a psychopath, you know.
Why? Because I love to feel pain? It turns me on.
Look, Katrina, I'm a wife.
Oh, I'm sick and tired of hearing that name.
She's my wife. All right, now I'm going to respect the lies where you tell her, you know. She's a good woman. I not show her none at all.
I told her the truth. You are the one who showed her no respect.
Look, how you for go in a woman's house and beat up the woman? And then proceed to enter my bedroom and take out the whole of my clothes?
Beat her up, yes? And the sooner you realize that you belong to me, the better it will be for you. You need to make that transition.
Yeah. Me did ever tell you, sir, never left my wife for the likes of you, eh? No! So the bumper clot to get that notion inside you, eh?
Don't ever swear at me.
Look, Katrina, I'm a wife. Me one true love. I mean, I gonna left my wife for the likes of you. So whatever did happen between me and you, bumper, was a mistake. I'm going to ask my wife for forgiveness.
You're going to bow?
Rastadam, bow!
Tell me something, Bubba Dread. Weren't you the one who tell me that when you take me from behind is the best ride you ever get? Didn't you tell me that this is the sweetest puss you ever tasted?
Sex is not everything.
It's everything between me and you.
You're a wicked woman. I'm a leveling vixen.
Oh, don't throw your big words on me. Come on, throw something else. Whatever I did it for us.
There is no us. You tricked me. You blackmailed me. You trapped me in your bed.
Maybe the first time. But what happened to the other times, What happened to the other times? You never say no.
And that man was weak and vulnerable to the flesh, you know that.
Well, it only take one time to get me pregnant.
Pregnant? What you talking about pregnant, eh? How are you trying to trap I, man?
This is not a trap.
How about Katrina?
Look, come here. You're confused.
Yeah.
Baby, come and sit down. Let me explain things to you. Catherine knows about it.
What about she know? You know that man kill her?
Look, I know she can't have kids, right? And I am a fertile black woman. I can give you all the little rasta picnic them that you want. I'm having your son.
My son?
Yes, your son.
Could be husband.
That man hasn't touched me for months. He found God.
Rastafari. Katrina, what me do?
Look, I wasn't the one who cheated on your wife, you know. You did.
Me never cheat on my wife. You tricked me. You trapped me in your bed. Still I see I know temptation has put in front time and I was weak to the flesh. Oh. I live in a Babylon for too long.
Listen to me, honey. Let's lay down a few rules here, all right? I don't mind you sleeping with your wife just one more time. I don't even have a problem with physical infidelity. But no emotional connections, you get me? That is where I draw the line. You belong to me now. So I want you to go upstairs, have a shower, and put on the clothes that I laid out for you.
But you's a fucking deranged lunatic. I could never love you.
Do you think I care about that? True love respects and recognizes the imperfections that you have. But I will work on you to make you perfect for me.
Madam, man, you think about what you try to do to me?
I was the one who started the race, but you finish it.
Then if you push it from me, now for defend it.
Oh, male pride. You stand there pledging undying love for your wife, but you're the one who used me.
Rasta don't use a man. I learned this bumper. No man who loves and respects his wife will ever tolerate another woman terrorizing her. The heart listens. The heart knows. And my heart is me. Fire!
And what was that Rasta man doing in our home?
I just fucked him. In your bed. You want to see the wet patch that I leave for you?
And where do you think you're
You
going?
don't have a right to ask me that question anymore.
Don't be disrespectful to your husband. I know that, look. You're not going anywhere. You're staying right here with me, your husband.
Take your hands off me. Take your hands off. What do you think you're talking to? So what you waiting for, Pastor? Turn the other cheek then.
Left me picnic, and where you butter bruise him up so far. It's okay, mommy. It's all right.
Don't you ever describe yourself as my husband. Who you really married to, Tell me.
I am married to you.
You sure about that?
Yes, I am.
So you're not married to God anymore?
Well, in a way, yes, I am married to God. Me and him are irrevocably entwined.
Oh. So you're going to be born with him?
What am I hearing?
Listen. God didn't create man, you know. Man created God.
God is everywhere and he's in everything.
Where is your Horatio? Is he in the barrel? Under the table, under the chair, the bathroom, in the bedroom? Ah. He's in the closet. Why doesn't he come out? Tell me, Horatio, where is he?
Thou shalt not tempt the Lord thy God.
You know what I hate about hypocrites like you? You take Christianity to an ignorant level. You can't even accept that Jesus Christ was married to the Virgin Mary. Tell her!
Me no want hear it. Don't mix up Jesus in our no pasa.
See what I mean? Ignorant.
Go down by your knee. Ask the Almighty for forgiveness. Is this what you want? You're crucifying me for nothing at all.
Nothing? Nothing? I don't call sleeping with another man nothing. You stand there preaching to me. You lie to yourself, you lie to me, and you lie to your God.
That Rasta man can't love you the way I do.
You think I care? He will learn to.
You are causing so much destruction. That child you're carrying.
What about it?
Could have been ours.
How is that possible? How is that possible, Horatio? I caught you sleeping with another man. Not another woman, another man. Then I had to suffer the humiliation of getting these. How do you think that made me feel?
Please, forgive me.
Forgive you. Forgive you. And there was I, thinking that we got married out of love, when all the while it was deception, to hide your sick perversion. You knew all along, you bitch. Why didn't you tell me? I could have coped. I could have coped if it was another woman. If another woman had given you all these love bites. And to think I was jealous. Jealous of you, my husband. A fucking faggot. You destroyed my life.
Hush. Believe me, I feel your pain and sorrow. But what's a mother supposed to do? I can't disown him like you.
He will always be my son.
You know, many times I tried to tell you. I didn't want you to find out like that. But I'm a black man. And I was afraid of coming out, of telling the world that I am gay. You remember all the songs they used to sing? Boom, bye, bye, in a batty wild. All chichi man fi dead. And step on chichi man. How you think that made me feel? The more I denied my homosexual feelings, the more they dominated my every thought.
You should have told me already.
I have searched my soul. And I am happy with the answer he has given. And I am not afraid anymore.
You're sick. You wanted us to stay together, to pretend that everything was all right between us?
Only to protect you.
How long have you known that he was gay?
I did not choose to become gay. I was born this way.
It is not right. People like you are abnormal. Homosexuality is a sin. It is an illness, a mental disorder.
And men are having anal sex with their girlfriends. What's the difference?
Whatever I said in this house stays here. We won't tell a soul.
No, mommy.
No.
I will not live my life in fear of who I am anymore. I just ask you to find it in your heart to forgive me of deceiving you.
Why? Why, God, why? Of all the people in this world, why I have to end up with a fucking chichi man?
Why? What? Me salt no rotted. You hear me? I salt no rotted. The amount of money me spend on race horse, I could have won a race course by now. But no, they are lose. How you did the nipple them stand up, so? Eh? Are the passer y'all after? No bother with him, kind of like a man. Wait, I'm his son y'all after? Eh? Put up. I want this. Eh? What you put in front of me? Bacon and dirty meat, Trenton, Arnold, pork. At least you try to try. Eh? One of my son them a Rasta, and you put on pork in front of me. Eh?
Yeah, my pops, me no Rasta, me eat it.
Look how the pork up like plate like man.
But all I have left around the back is some ham.
Can that come? That a pork.
But ham is pork.
Swallow that bumbo clot. Don't let me say it again, you hear me? Bacon is pork and ham is ham. You dumb Ross.
All right. Ham is not pork.
Hey! Who is you talking to like that? Don't be so damn frivolous. Eh? Look, I own you like how I own my car and my jewels way. You hear? So careful.
You can't make choices for me.
But how you do? A backchat me in front of my son and in front of visitors?
No,
eh?
no.
You go on to the back on you inside that tonight. Yeah?
No, I'm not backchatting you.
Huh?
Honey, can I ask you a question? It's about the children. I want them to come and live with us.
No, they are not my responsibility.
But you're them stepfather.
Step your claw through my door.
But after them, when a father don't want to look after them.
And you expect me to? Is that fair? Eh? Is that answer me?
No.
I didn't hear you.
I said no.
So why the backside you pressuring me to look after another man's sperm? Eh? Why?
But how you have to take the calf to dog?
Ah! Baby, you not ready.
So what am I supposed to do?
What you ask me for? I mean to breed you? I mean breed you? Eh? What? Hey! Keep out of this, it don't concern you.
How you expect me to feel, eh? How you expect me to feel? Every day you walk up and down with your children and picture in your pocket. How you expect me to feel?
I don't give a backside how you want to feel. I'm married picking them. Me walk with them if I want to. I can't walk with them, picture them frame a whole album if I want to. Can't have to me them.
Let me ask you something, Pops. You sure them picking them, all of them picking their your one? Eh?
What? Hey! Take up that Ross. Take it up.
You sure all them how much picking their your one?
What you ever for me them?
You sure me and my sister belong to you? Eh?
How will you answer to me, boy?
Someone. You have to make her them come here and you look after them.
Listen to me, boy. If there's one thing no woman can say about me, me always take care of all of my picking them. All 39 of them. Oh, a 40 now. Huh. One more upon the way. One more upon the way. Hey, you tell me, anyone who ever got shot or anything yet?
No.
Aha.
Keeping a family together is very important.
Miras, him still there?
Aye, come take up the glass and put it in your pocket because we don't want it again, you know.
I will tell you a word, you see.
Pops, my mother say enough to come back around the house, you know.
Sure, I'm my old pussy that now. Me can't get that anytime.
Me not think so, you know. Because me sure say you're done.
Me? Done? How are you talking about? Me? Done? Me a name brand. You hear? Look at me. 60 and still going strong. You hear? Look at me. Look at me. Look at me, boy. You look at me, you say. Listen, you know how much. You know how much woman whom this is how they bring down? Yeah? Look, boy. You ask your mother why she don't have no more picnic. Twist her womb twist, here. Listen, boy. I know. When the young girl them see the size of me cocky, they run left them drawers. Yeah? Yes, they can't handle that because they want to listen in the future. Hey, me well blessed, you know, me well blessed.
Is that how you see women? Like some little piece of meat? Have you forgotten that we all have mothers?
At least me see them. You know about talking, because you are chichi man.
Yes. And your reggae DJs are in Jamaica having sex with their girlfriends.
Leave the DJ them out tight.
Why should I? Why? They're going around and piercing all part of their body. Gay men have been doing that openly for years. Now they're piercing their tongue, their eyes, and all part of them. They're pretending as if they're bad. I'm not. They're hiding who they are. I'm not.
Hey! Shut your batty argument in my house. You hear me? Me invite you to play domino, so shut your batty.
Pops.
Huh?
Guy never have a pint, you know. Can you tell me one time say you have anal sex with a girl, you know?
What a rash boy, chat. I tell you, that was a mistake. I was drunk and I entered the wrong hole from behind.
So why you never stop?
Why me never stop?
Yeah.
Why me never stop? The whole the titan go me, man. Hey. That don't mean say me a batty, man.
Sorry to interrupt my husband, but my shoes begging bread, look.
Hold on. Me have you tie up in a like dog. Where you find time to walk for shoes and bake bread? Let me see it. Yeah, true. But I can't replace it now, you see, I don't have the money.
So what I must do?
Why you want stuff it with newspaper?
For how long?
How long? You know most newspaper there in England? Sun, mirror, looking glass, star, whole universe. Yeah? Where me ham sandwich?
Oh, the ham finished, so I cooking some red pea soup.
Red pea soup?
Yes.
View. I catch me. And where you try to? You try to vote me? Where me always tell you? Where me always tell you? Don't yam red peas. Don't yam red pea soup or stew pea strong woman. You hear? My mother always tell me that and me pass it down to you now. You are your period, right? Answer me.
Yes.
See it? Argument done. Me no want it. Wait a minute. Go and make me something. Find something to make me.
Pops, tell me something. You suck pussy.
How dare you ask me a question like that? Especially front and straight. Of course, me suck pussy. Let me tell you, my boy. Let me tell you. It is especially nice. You see? Let me tell you. You think me I go make a next man come try palm my wife before me try it first? Yeah? Let me tell you. It is especially nice when it gone off a little. When it touch. Yeah, me boy. You don't make a next man do it here? Let me tell you, man. Let me tell you a nice part. You see that little part between the body and the pum pum? Eh? You know what you call that? You call that the chin rest. You call that chin rest. You see? Let me tell you, my boy. Let me tell you, my boy. You see when you rest your chin right there so, and you work it. Hey, when you look, you see the woman start climbing the wall like a spider woman. You hear me? Let me tell you, if you make another man come and do that to her, she will leave you. You hear? You will try it. You hear? Let me tell you, man. Let me tell you. You know what? You know what nice? You know what nice? And when you're done, and the smell still left on your top lip. Lord, man. Yeah, tell you. It's nice. Yeah, tell you, wicked man. You will try it. Eh? Let me tell you, man. When you... Hey, girl. Go answer the phone. Where you think you're there for? Pick up the phone. Let me tell you, man. Boy, let me tell you.
Hello?
When you see a woman, when she...
Yes?
When she wrap the leg around your neck.
Yes, this is her.
And you start to feel it.
What?
Clitoris gets...
What? No.
Wait. How am with you? Your mama dead?
Them cut her throat this morning.
And you picked them?
Them gone too.
Oh, Lord, have mercy.
He's out of my life. And I don't know whether to laugh or cry. I don't know whether...
Why didn't I see it coming? Was I too trusting? Is it my fault he betrayed me? Oh, I wish I could hate him, but I can't. How can I give up on us after we've been through so much? But how can I carry on? Oh, I can't bear the thought of him with a woman he prefers over me. How can he put me through this hell?
Katrina, you know, say you need counseling.
Me? I need it. You're the one with the issues. You're the one in denial. I saw that tape, you know, you disgust me.
Look, we've been over all of this already, now, Katrina.
Well, I want to go over it again, so humour me. It's funny, isn't it? I thought that black men like you were sick and tired of the reputation you have for being pimps, womanizers, and absentee baby fathers. But in reality, it's totally accurate.
Well, at least me not chichi, man. Me not represent all of the black man, Katrina. I represent me. Look, some of us do care where we seed end up.
Oh, it shows. So you're still seeing her?
What kind of question that you come ask?
It's a simple one. You're still seeing that slut bumper. Well, if you can't answer me that, answer me this. Will you be giving the child your name?
Katrina, you know how much me do want to have a whole heap of bunch of rasta pick me with you. Katrina, me do want to show you what a good father and husband I could be, you know.
And you think you can do that by breeding with that twisted old sow?
Whatever she is, Katrina, what you ask me for do is to give up my only chance of becoming a father. It's in my nature for what spread me say, Katrina. It does bust out of me. What you want me for do?
Say no! If you ever really love me, you'd say no! How can I compete with a black woman having your baby?
I don't know, Katrina. Maybe we should have communicated better.
I lie here night after night and I cry myself to sleep trying to fill in the blanks and work out what made you leave me.
Yeah, just blame me. It's all my fault.
Oh, that was my conclusion too. It's all your fucking fault. How did this happen? You know, it's not what you did. It's the way that you did it. Why are men like you so clever at separating sex from love?
Look, Katrina.
To any normal woman, it's one and the same thing.
Empress, you're messing up, baby. We can work this out.
Can we?
Yeah, Katrina. Look, Katrina. Baby, look, just stop the crying for a moment.
No! I can't stop crying or feeling pain just to make you feel better.
No.
It doesn't work like that.
Katrina, good time. Baby,
Where are you going? You made a fool out of me, and all you can do is give up on us and walk away. Why didn't you fight to keep me? Answer me. What's going to happen now?
I don't know, Katrina. What you want to happen now?
I don't know!
Look, Katrina, you're not all innocent in all of this, you know. Why you laugh?
I wonder when you turn this around to blame me. Did I betray you and have the affair? No. Did I steal your sperm to impregnate some psychotic whore? No. Because I was here, as always, your loyal and trusting wife. I'm not like you. I can't go from one man to the next without an emotional connection. So in answer to your question, yes, I am innocent in all this.
Katrina, look, I'm sorry for hurting you, Katrina. Look, Katrina, I swear, sometimes I think about killing myself.
Oh, you have no right. Stay here with me and fight.
I can't stay with you, Katrina. I'm staying, but it's going to hurt you more.
Oh. So you've already decided you're going to leave me. Is that what you're telling me? No. No. You promised me we'd be together no matter what happened. What changed?
Katrina,
What is it?
nothing.
What? Is it because she's pregnant?
No, look.
What?
Katrina.
What is...
But let me tell you.
Oh, my God. You're leaving me because she's black.
No, Katrina, we are come with now.
You are a spineless excuse for a man.
Look, Katrina, look, Right now, I just follow my heart.
At the expense of mine.
Look, Katrina, there are some things in life you just can't argue about. Like love and forgiveness. Katrina, I swear you're the best thing that ever happened to me.
Then why talk about leaving unless she means that much to you?
She doesn't. Look, it's mostly the baby thing and...
You bastard!
Katrina.
You fucking bastard!
Sorry.
How can you stand here and tell me that you'd rather be with some slut than with your wife?
No, that's not what I'm saying.
Can't you see she's just using you to get at her husband? Can't you see?
Katrina, well, I'm not...
Get out!
Catch it.
Go on, get out!
Baby.
Get out! Get out!
Katrina, hear me, I say. Look, baby, this girl. Katrina! Katrina. Katrina, no. No, Katrina, what you do? Katrina. Katrina, what you do? Ah! Ah, Jesus Christ!